Hi guys, welcome to another LeetCode Daily challenge. Today is 13th of July. Let's see what we have in store for today. Oh, it's a hard question called robot collision. Okay, so there are n1 indexed robots, each having position on a line, health, movement, direction. Okay, zero index integer array positions, health, distinct directions is the okay, left or right. All integer positions are unique. Robots start moving on the line simultaneously at the same speed in the given direction. If two robots ever share the same position, they will collide. Okay. When they collide, lower health is removed from the line, and the health of the robot decreases by other robot. Okay, so the higher health robot decreases by one, lower one gets removed entirely. Okay, the surviving robot continues in the same direction it was going. Okay, if the both same health, they both are removed from the line. Okay, fine. Now your task is to determine the health of the robots that survive the collisions in the same order that the robots were given. If final health of robot 1 if survived, final health of robot 2 if survived, and so on. There are no survivors, return an empty array. Okay. Okay. Continuing the health of the robot. Okay. The positions may be unsorted. What does that mean? Positions may be unsorted. Oh, they need not to be in order. Okay, that is fine. 3526. Yeah, that is what they mean. Let's. Okay, so we have four robots. One is at 3 with high health 10, one is at 5 with health 10, one is at 2 with health 15, and 6 with health 12. We have the directions. Okay, so let's say we start. There are two collisions. The first, so I think so. Let's say these two are moving towards each other. Um, there's no speed associated, right? So let's say there's a gap between 5 and 6. This gap is going to like remain maintained. This gap won't get affected, right? So who will collide? If you look at this, honestly, looks like this sort of looks like parentheses that are canceling each other out. Um, so okay, let's say this guy is moving here, right? I'm going to consider this as an open bracket. Then this one is again open bracket. This one is a closed bracket. So there is going to be a collision. Who will this guy collide with? The one at the top. So this guy. So they are both of the same. What do you call health? So both will get removed. Now, next one is again a closing bracket in a way. Now this one will collide with this one. Since this guy's health is less, he will get removed. He will stay here with I guess yeah, health should be 14. Okay. Let's try for another example. Okay, so this is opening bracket. You try to close it. Yeah, we'll of course have to rearrange the positions since these are not sorted. That is first task. Let me put that down as a step. Rearrange uh, robots by should be position. Okay, we'll treat okay going R. Okay, so this guy is going left. This guy is going right. Correct. We'll treat R uh, as opening bracket. Treat L as closing bracket. Why did I think of brackets? Because that is what it looked like to me, honestly. Uh, so let's say this is an opening bracket, this is a closing. Same this thing. They both get removed. Both of the answer will be 0 0. Okay, they don't survive, so we don't need to have any answer for them. Now this guy is 11. This guy is 11. They both don't survive. Okay, let's see in this one. Opening bracket. How do I? Can I copy this image? And can I paste this image? I can't. Okay, fine. So let's just see opening, 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 opening. All of these are opening brackets. though 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Five opening brackets are there. 10, 15, 9, 17, and 2. So no one gets honestly gets removed. So their health would get remain maintained. Okay, it's a small problem here. The order is actually creating a big problem for us. Now the thing is, the answer has to be, mm, what do I say? Answer has to be in the order that the question was given. So this guy is position 5. He had health 2. He remains with health 2. But yeah, that is a problem. Uh, Final step we get back original order. Okay, okay. What can we do here? Sort of feels like I'll need a class for this. I haven't done any lead code question like this, so this is going to be a first. And position and order. So this is the index in which we'll call this index only. Now int health and string direction. Okay. Now what I'll have is robot. I'll assume I'm given all these. All these are available to me. Okay. We get all these, and then what I'll do is um, check this dot was equals to was. Let's repeat this for all. Next is index. Oh, I did not intend to run it. Okay. Start health equals to health position, health index, and direction. Okay, we have this. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to create these all these, and we are going to put them in a list. Okay, classes robot. Positions dot length plus plus. I honestly don't know if this approach is going to work. It feels like it should. I might encounter some problem while doing this, but it's okay. Um, Robot R equals to new robot. What do we need? We need position, index, health, and direction. Position, position, positions. I, index is I only, health is health of I, and last is directions, which is uh, directions dot char hat I. Let me convert that to string. Okay, we have a new robot, and let's add it. Robot stat dot add robot. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's sort these. Okay, so what we're going to do is sort them. So collections dot sort. It is going to be robot. Now the sorting order A, comma B. This is going to be a lambda function. How are we going to sort them? We're going to sort them in the position order of the position. Okay, and it is going to be increasing order. So A dot was minus B dot position. Uh, okay, so let's say we have these. All of the robots are now sorted. So I'll create a stack. Let me make it a stack of robot only. The robot, yeah, stack of robot. St equals to new stack. Okay, so for um, what do we do? Let's say robot uh, are belonging to robots. What I'm going to do is this is an increasing order. So if r dot direction dot equals if this is an increasing like forward direction, which would mean it is L, string L. We'll do t dot push r else. So now this is a collision case, right? This robot is coming in the right direction and he's going to collide with the uh, yeah, right. So firstly, if st dot is empty, there is no one to collide with. Now, which that would mean this guy is going to uh, remain with whatever health he is with. Correct. We don't need to do anything. So only if st is not empty, like this guy is going towards L, if this guy is going towards right direction, we don't want to do anything. We want to preserve his health and everything. So let's just not add it to the stack. Let no, don't do anything with it. He will remain with his original properties. Okay. Now, if it is not empty, then robot rt equals to, sorry for the variable naming this time. Now t is going in the left direction and r is going in the right direction. So we have to check who. Okay, let's do one thing. Is then dot length over the size and then I plus plus uh, robot r equals to robots dot get I. Now this guy is going. Oh, we don't know which direction it's going. R dot direction dot equals c dot push R. Now this guy is going in this direction. Now we have to check whose health is larger, right? I have of this guy also. Now if t dot health is greater than r dot health, we'll do something. Else if t dot health is strictly less than r dot health, uh, okay, meaning we'll do something. But if their health is equal, we don't want to do anything, right? So let's not do anything. We won't do anything here. Exit the loop. I would get increased. We'll be onto the next robot. Correct. Yeah. Okay. So now, wait 1 second. So what I'm thinking is, I think I should have a final answer sort of a thing also, because there are robots, that I need to preserve, and if I just leave them, like I don't add them to the stack or anything, I'm not sure if I'll be able to retrieve them later. So what I'm going to do is create another this thing, just to, so whatever robots are not going to change. Uh, I'm going to store them here, new robots. All right. So what is the case? I get the robot R. Now if the direction is L, meaning he's going in that side, uh, just push it. Um, if ST is not empty, else I'll add here. This would mean that ST is empty, correct? This would mean here it would mean that ST is empty. Yeah, meaning I have a robot who wants to go to the right direction, but he doesn't have anyone to collide with. Correct. So we want to preserve this one. So uh, new robots dot add R. Correct. Else. Um, so this is the case where both of them have equal health. They are going to both get preserved. Meaning R and T. I'll add them here. Correct. They're getting preserved. Okay, cool. Now, if T's health is greater than R's health, what I'll do is R would get vanished. Health. How? So R's health is less. He's going to get removed. T is going to get is going back to the stack. R is going to get deleted. Was moving in the right direction. Correct. So I need to delete R. You don't need to take care of its new health. T's health we need to reduce. So T dot health LTH minus minus and it's T dot push T. Okay, you go back to the stack. Now if T's health is less, T was already popped, right? So let's remove T. R's health, so R dot health minus minus would be there. Okay, cool. But now in this case, since RS was moving towards right, he might be colliding with more robots. So we need to process this guy again. That's why I'll be doing I minus minus here, so that we end up processing this guy again. I'll do I minus minus. This one will do I plus plus. I'll be again with the same robot. Correct? Okay. Yeah. Cool. Now finally, so I have all the final answers in the new robots collection list. Correct? So this time, what I need to do is I need to sort them by their original index because we need to preserve that. Now this has the answer. So we need list or list integer. Perfect. List integer health remaining health list for rob- robot are belonging to new robots. Remaining health dot add r dot health. Cool. And then we return this thing. Perfect. So from code wise, I think it is complete. I'm sure we'll get some bugs, some syntax mistakes. So let's check that. Oh, perfect. So we got this one down, in which no one's health changes. Let's check the last phase in which we don't have any. Oh, I got a 10 and 10. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What is the so like where is the problem we're getting? Let me do one thing. I'll uh, do a system out of robots and new robots also, just to see if the ordering has been correct. System dot might have to. Where is new robots? Okay. I don't think it will show me anything because it is a, yeah, exactly. What can we do? So let's say I have all the robots in this one and I have ordered them. What I need is the first guy, first one to be with the minimum position, correct? So I'll do robots dot get 0 dot get, okay, dot position. I get the first guy's position. Shouldn't be 6, should be 1. It is 2 in this case, which is correct. It is 1 in this case, which is also correct. So means we that was handled. Ordering is correct. Uh, Correct. Yeah. Let me remove that. So I've ordered. Okay, so I think I made a small mistake here. This has to be R. So if we are moving, if this robot is moving in the right direction, means it is this robot. You just put it in the stack. And another thing is, if T's health is larger, we reduce it. If R's health is larger, we reduce it. But if their health is same, we are adding it to this. We shouldn't be doing this. If they have the equal health, they're both getting removed in a way. So we don't need to capture them for any further processing. Just one more thing I need to check: r dot health. So this guy's health is more. So this is what? Uh, which case is it? Okay, it is. Oh, these two have same now. 12. Oh, we don't have that case, but fine. Our health is larger. We reduce it by 1. I do I minus minus. Fall out of this, fall out of this. Now I am here. I plus plus. I minus. I picked the same thing again. Okay, should be fine. Oh, perfect. Now there is just one small thing that I need to verify personally. So the position in this case is health is what? 3 5. Okay, 3 is this guy, 5 is this guy. I'm going to increase this guy's health by let's make this one 16. Okay, so it reduces this guy by 1, and then let's make this one as, so this will become 14. I'll make this one 14. Okay, how do I change the test case? Hmm? No, yeah. So 3 5, making this as 16. Oh, not 16. So 16 will become 15, and 15 and 15 will collide. Okay, that is fine. Wait a second. I want to 15. This one becomes 15. I want 15 to cancel out this one. Okay, so I'll make this as 14. Okay, so 14 and 10. This one will be 13. 15 will be already inside. So 15 and 13, 15 will become 14. Now 14, and let's make this one as 14 also. I should get empty array. This is like checking every edge case possible. Oh, damn, that is perfect. Okay, let me remove the system out. Rest all looks good. I'm gonna submit this. Perfect. Let's do one thing. Let's go over the solution once, see what we did. So the thing is, I saw that firstly, one robot will have initial position, health, and direction. A bit complicated, right? We have to manage everything for one robot, and then I saw that we have the positions may be unsorted, but the answer has to be sorted in the way, in the exact, it has to be remain in the same order that it was given. Hence I wanted to introduce this new class of robots. Trust me, this was the first time I put a new class for a lead code question. So yeah, I made a new class. Whatever input we were getting, created it and pushed into the robots list. Now then I sorted it by their position, correct? Because I want them in this order. Okay. Next, what I did is I picked each robot one by one, and I sort of treated these robots as opening and closing brackets, sort of trying to balance the parentheses or like match opening with closing. So anyone moving to the right side is an opening bracket, moving to the left side is a closing bracket. So whenever we get a closing bracket and at the top of the stack there is an opening bracket, they try to cancel each other out or like collide with each other. So if T's health is more, the health will get reduced by 1, and he'll go back into the stash, to the stack. If R's health is more, it will get reduced by 1. And doing I minus 1, we ensure that he will get processed once again. If their health is same, we don't do anything, meaning both of them won't be taken forward. Correct. Now, if what is this case? If my stack is empty and I have a moving robot towards left, I just add it to the new robots list. So this is the final answer collection list. Okay. What I'll do is whatever is left in the stack, I'll collect everything, and I'll reorder this by the initial order that they were given me into. So that gives me that sort of gives me the final answer, but I only need to return the health. So I'm adding the health to this new array and I'm returning that. All right, this was a good question. A small this thing about yesterday's question. So I tried the yesterday's question and I was not able to figure out the solution for like 20-25 minutes, and then I had to look at the solution and redo the question, but I uploaded the entire video. I'm not sure if you guys felt that it is a waste of time to put a failed attempt of a question. So I just want to know if you guys have a problem with me putting a solution that did not result in successful submission. Like, are you guys fine with just seeing me try a question and seeing me fail and then looking at the solution, or you guys just want directly, you want directly to jump, you want me to directly jump to the solution? Please let me know what which case is it is. Me personally, I know the solutions are available all over the internet for all of these questions, and as a code, as a article, as a video, everything is available out there. I sort of was feeling that I can um, give a raw approach of a new question, show you guys how I approach a new question, what goes on into thinking, the logic, what steps do I consider, how do I check the input, what all do I need to do, how do I basically do it. I can fail, I can succeed, totally agree there. So that was my approach. So please let me know if this is working for you guys. Again, if the solution you guys want the approach in Hindi, let me know, or this code in any other language, again, please just let me know through one comment. I'll be happy to help you guys. All right. uh, Thanks a lot for tuning in. See you in the next one. Bye.